one goes away. We proud of who we are. Versi tutti nei, versi tauti nei. Versi one goes away. We proud of who we are. Jere kantinding man famila we lay wong. Versi one goes away. We proud of who we are. Versi tutti nei, versi tauti nei. Versi one goes away. We proud of who we are. Lenzi ganse jengule no. Fovine konsansi. Ven wang we are watching go. Fovine konsansi. Venzi ganse jengule no. Fovine konsansi. Ven wang we are watching go. Fovine konsansi.
Ngakeke bumake. Yeah, I'll sing some. If you know say you be proud of your beginning, make you the shine your light. Just follow me, oh, follow me, oh, follow me, shine your light. Le bango le wa, we will know the identity, we will know the identity. How many pan this one again? I be proud of my licky girl, yeah, yo, I'm proud of who I am, yeah, c'est pas point tout, yeah, wafu samo, yeah, bangante bangjung, yeah, denta asinto,
yeah, kantinding man famila we lay wong. Versi one goes away. We proud of who we are. Versi tutti nei, versi tauti nei. Versi one goes away. We proud of who we are. Lenzi ganse jengule no. Fovine konsansi. Ven wang we are watching go. Fovine konsansi. Venzi ganse jengule no. Fovine konsansi. Ven wang we are watching go. Fovine konsansi.
Come see the special place where I come from. The moon is bright, we telling stories round the bonfire. We get the firewood and we get the power. We get the sauce, yes, we are proud of who we are. Now not to saw all man, not chunje.
yeah, moe, hawa konga duma. One so yo alaya kisanga. Ile. Vusina duwa fobia. Na yo adari, dari. Ayo adari.
Jere kantinding man famila we lay wong. Versi one goes away. We proud of who we are. Versi tutti nei, versi tauti nei. Versi one goes away. We proud of who we are. Jere kantinding man famila we lay wong. Versi one goes away. We proud of who we are. Versi tutti nei, versi tauti nei. Versi one goes away. We proud of who we are. Lenzi ganse jengule no. We proud of who we are. Ven wang we are watching go. We proud of who we are. Venzi ganse jengule no. We proud of who we are. Ven wang we are watching go. We proud of who we are. 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 We proud of who we are.
Point of correction. Not be Banso boy, and So boy. The boy from So. That is what I'm saying.
Okay, we'll take another shot.
Jere kantinding man famila we lay wong. Versi one goes away. We proud of who we are. Versi tutti nei, versi tauti nei. Versi one goes away. We proud of who we are.
So boy, but they no get me that too. Damutu jam da go tifufukuta brook foot. My telephone the ring, make a answer my phone call. But you know the go banso, then say they don't block book. Like them money inside your team man no fee hide. I don't need for talk, you go know. Language so sweet, easy and unique. Everywhere we go, we united. Everybody feeling delighted. Each time I talk in my dialect, I did make them feel so excited. Anytime they feeling rejected.
Jere kantinding man famila we lay wong. Versi one goes away. se jengle no Bovini consansi Ven we are watching go Bovini consansi Ven sigal se jengle no Bovini consansi Ven we are watching go Bovini consansi
One so your ifan kifa have you eaten kifa.
Now so everybody feeling me like I'm rolling on the beat like that. Bounce up boy, back in the day when did you make the kiwi with mini mean? Who no be no samba? Si swagger for Salah and December. Mami hala for Kona, Jakate for Paki for disaster. One so ave yo you look a sang, Zoom sang ave yo you funky fa. I love it, la will licky fa. Ban Yisari Imbasang. One so ave yo you look a sang, Zoom sang ave yo you funky fa. I love it, la will licky fa. Ban Yisari Imbasang.
Jere kantindin man famila will I wong Vejo one goes we proud of who we are Versi tuti nay Versi tafsi nay Vejo one goes we proud of who we are Lensi ganse jengle no Bovini consansi Ven we are watching go Bovini consansi Vensi ganse jengle no Bovini consansi we are watching go Bovini consansi
One so ave yo you look a sang, Zoom sang ave yo you funky fa. I love it, la will licky fa. Ban Yisari Imbasang. One so ave yo you look a sang, Zoom sang ave yo you funky fa. I love it, la will licky fa.
Jere kantindin man famila will I wong Vejo one goes we proud of who we are Versi tuti nay Versi tafsi nay Vejo one goes we proud of who we are Jere kantindin man famila will I wong Vejo one goes we proud of who we are Versi tuti nay Versi tafsi nay Vejo one goes we proud of who we are Lensi ganse jengle no we proud of who we are Ven we are watching go we proud of who we are Vensi ganse jengle no we proud of who we are Ven we are watching go we proud of who we are
We proud of who we are, nigga. We proud of who we are.
proud of who we are
That is who we are. That's so boy in the house.
we proud of who we are we proud of who we are
Point of correction. Not be Banso boy, that's Sock boy, the boy from Sock. That is what I'm saying.
Okay, we take another shot.
Akuru bunga akuru tu Bongo Afasa Bayiru no bokanga. This is dedicated to all the Meta people. I walk again more you one muta I carry chin jigga ben sang fi I carry chin kwarki ngama beng I walk with on the key wall one quart on rum to jigga where king konum no to no one quart on rum to jigga where king konum no to no Take yiru take a bum take yiru one up bayiru one ba yiru Chica bang santi chica ngoma tare santi chica bang santi chica ngoma tare santi Can more you one muta eh I can more you one muta eh I can more you one muta eh I can more you one muta eh Ben muta ajmu bo Ben muta ajmu bina babina Ben muta ajmu parki wo Ben muta ajmu yimu bingo jigga bem sem fi, jigga ngoma tara sonho fi. Jigga bem sem fi, jigga nanga tara sonho fi. The china why you one murder, eh. The china why you wanna murder, eh. The china why you one murder, eh. The china why you one murder, eh. Mukum ya BJ Zama, mukum ya BJ Zama, mukum ya BJ Zama. Machi arawenmo, machi arbem tajum, kaka bazi anji. Okay.
Muwekera mwana wase Nombeli jeka Emotimeli ne momejala I got you cafe Napina ninde motapope la kisema use unungwe inginya ulipe ya egulo yangu ale mabango asangoloka mawono la kire napina ninde motapope la kisema use onungwe inginya uholigwe wolo yanko eze ya monde malundi mabango akaramia wolo tati wonde akaramia wolo akaramia wolo Tati wonde akaramia wolo Aweki mayoneze, aweki mali Aweki zombe, nino miko wa homanyo Maike onungweli jeka Omame yaze, ema ogwe olungela bie Mbana ke kawayo, mbana ke kawajamba, mbana ke kawajema lowae. Nanundi longeli weli, wandi ni kama vita. Ewanja wando weli, emotimbeli, emumezala. Ewanja wando weli, emotimbeli, emumezala. Wanjo wandole di motindeli momezala wanjo wandole di motindeli momezala Papa j'ai dit merci de m'avoir donné la force et le courage d'enfanter, de relever les défis de la vie, papa. Il n'y a que toi dans ma vie t'appartient. Allô, 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 Uwekera mwana wase Mweli jeka Emotimeli ne momejala I got you cafe Mweli jeka papa Uwekera mwana wase Mweli jeka
Hello, fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians. Una be welcome for this show, the No Koni Talk Show. Na me, una host, Capo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, and Mr. No Koni, una very own countryman, una sense past king. I want to salute una and to welcome una for this advocative platform where they advocate for the most smartest way to reach for Ambazonian independence through the most effective manner. Would also speak the truth and nothing but the truth for make sure Semi would hold our leader them to power, hold truth to speak truth to power, and hold our leader them make sure say thing where they promise and for the Ambazonia people them, not thing where they fit deliver them. So that make the hope where Ambazonia people then get them for their independence may be well placed, may be attainable, so that this struggle is going to move before. I want to salute all man, for welcome all now for home, abroad, and for people where they watch me now for over the Ambazonian Communication Network, the ACN. So today we're going to pay tribute to one of our patriot, the first blood of Ambazonia, Mr. Akum Julius, one university student where they be killing when the struggle will start. Now the killing of Akum Julius, the first blood, the first murder wey Mr. Paul Biya be committing for inside Ambazonia for Bamenda na way because this war for we. I go come back for this story for Mr. Akum Julius and also for update una about our operation them for the manhunt against the traitor the way they done betray Ambazonia in this La Republic to come around their imposed regional election upon Ambazonia. I will give you more details about those operations and updates where they. Today I go want to take the time for release some of the audio they want also not to wait for a long time, including the audio for Mr. Belinga Ongola, La Republic du Cameroon agent where Mr. Paul Biya Senamiki bribe me, and he will give you a little bit insight of the operation of Mr. Paul Biya and the roadmap of Mr. Paul Biya for destroy the Ambazonia revolution. As around the tell now, Paul Biya get an understanding with Sako and Chris Anu for helping for destroy the Ambazonia revolution. I go expose and today using that audio. I will also release the audio of our commander, Grandpa, for inside Momo, the Supreme Commander of the Ambazonia Defense Forces for all Momo forces them. Sumanguru, I will release the audio, a discussion them with General Diamond of Sokadev for show now say Ambazonia Defense Forces not there for ground zero now for Bikin Waka for key other forces them, but would work hand in hand with all forces them, always try to bring peace, for be the big brother in the room, for make sure says all soldiers then focus against one enemy. And also get very good discussion with our people, that our soldiers then wait and they for inside Babanki. We don't see some disturbing videos and where they come up for Babanki. And discuss with the generals them and the forces them for day. Now forces the way they will be in terms of their alignment with the IG. But like many of those forces them, they will just come up for fight for their country, they're independent, but political manipulation that don't place them for way to wait and be. And I'll be very happy for help them. I will bring in our team of the ADF for work hand in hand with them, for advise them and for equip them and for support them in any way we fit for make sure Semi will attend our independence. So all man, welcome. Today I go on for start for welcome all now, like our tradition for this show, for play one music for an Ambazonian rising star. They record this girl na Madam Askia. I advise una I recommend me gonna go for YouTube for check YouTube channel, for subscribe and for support now one of our own. So I want to salute the people in their life with me. I see Mama Ate, Emmanuel Aziz, Ben Wills, and Square Chinaman.
Too many homes broken, too many souls taken, too many long talks people die when they're still grieving. I just saw you, we had a talk about everything that was going on. I made a promise to you that I was gonna make it. Now that you're gone in your eyes, man, I never made it. Shit, people invested their lives in this place. Hard work, blood, tears coming down their face. This was the place everybody came to relax. Now everybody running away, not looking back. All we wanted was a change, a little upgrade. We have a right to strike, so the law said. For the day, open eye, that's on number 10. Perica no get for grow, that one and number 10. Rather than spray good vibes, your spray bullets. Come for your house, open fire, then call them stray bullets. You just killed the mom of a child who just lost his dad. Now it joins the people fighting this battle to fight back. I remember when they started with stones and matches. Big rubber guns, you laugh, say nothing will happen.
I want to salute all our community.
Look at the body count.
For America, for Europe, from 0 for Gang 1. I want to salute all our boys over the day for the Switch, to defend the honor of the people of Southern Cameroon, to defend our sovereignty. I want to salute all our generals, our commanders, our foot soldiers who have campaign the day up. All money plays day. I see Gifted Day online, also the watch for Facebook. I see David Richards Day online. Morgan, all now be welcome. Buddha will also be welcome. All man be welcome live. We want to salute all now. Special welcome to our people during the day, especially for Nigeria, for Costa State.
That's true to the facts. Let's have a peaceful conversation, then we start to react. guns down for a minute. Let's pray for a better day. Sit face to face, we can walk this out a better way. You're wrong for your doings, it's easy if you admit it. Let me take responsibility for mine, then we're even. Give me what I want and I'll give you what you want. We all got so much to lose, you understand? You can replace everything but not the life of a man. You can replace everything that you take from a man. So I'm ready for a talk, set a time, choose a place. And I hope you don't come with a gun right to my face. Too many people dying, lots are living in pain. They're dying for a cause but nothing seems to change. Some of us are alive with no blood in our veins. And at the end of the day, the struggle going in vain.
Why the killing? Why the killing? Why the blood? Why the blood? We just made a wish that we could have a talk. You're killing your brother.
Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ambazonians, we are welcome for the No Conny Talk Show. Another episode today. This one we pay tribute to the first blood where La République du Cameroun throw for our ground, Mr. Akum Julius, where be been a 22 years old university students from university where be there for Insa Bamenda. Akum Julius be been the first person where La République du Cameroun they assassinate. It has been exactly 4 years today. Would one pay tribute for Akum Julius, the first person where La République du Cameroun assassinate him, kill him for inside cold blood for inside Ambazonia. I want to take a minute of silence for use Akum Julius like a contact point for pay tribute for all the innocent Ambazonian the way La République du Cameroun they don't execute them for our national territory. May you join me for a minute of silence. May the soul of the faithful departed, the saints of Ambazonia, all the innocent blood, over 30,000 now and counting, may they rest in peace. For their sake, we shall continue fighting. We shall not give up until we have justice for all those who have been killed by Cameroon military during this their campaign to keep Ambazonia as a captive people. May all the soul of those who have died rest in peace, and we shall never rest in peace until justice is done for Southern Cameroon and all the people the way they fight for our independence, where they don't give their life. Akum Julius, rest in peace, my brother. We will fight and make sure that you have justice. And no Southern Cameroon should ever fall the way you fell. No Southern Cameroon should ever go what our generation is going through. Cameroon military, they use terrorism as an official policy for prosecute this war. They take no prisoners. They take no prisoners. They do targeted killing. They do scorched earth policy for burn villages from village to village, assassinate people, them kill picking them, using terrorism as a means to attain a political end. Now war crimes. Mr. Paul Biya Bivondo, when the commander-in-chief for the Cameroon military, now a war criminal, and would hope for see a day for court. Eventually, all these crimes that they commit for inside Ambazonia will catch up with them. Definitely. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we will start for inside before I will try to do fast so that we will get time for listening all those audios. So today I go want to start about the big news we will hear where they come from the be published for the businesscameroon.com website about the Cameroon National Hydrocarbonate Corporation, the SNH. This company, it give usually annually the revenue where Cameroon government it make them from petroleum. The figures and where it come out, it be very, very damaging, and it show say wa economic sabotage it hurt La République du Cameroon very, very badly and then be beyond recovery. According to the information where it come from this website, they talk say the revenue for petroleum for La République du Cameroon, it then dropped significantly, over 33%. That is a huge chunk of their national GDP. Cameroon is just hanging on a thread. They don't survive for long. According to this website, they talk say the document where it come up from the National Hydrocarbonate Corporation for la République du Cameroon, compare this same year with last year, Cameroon government, their revenue it done dropped 33%. We know say last year already the revenue wey they make am for inside that Sonera it done drop significantly. So for CC it done still drop again 33% from that level of last year. It show na alarm for la République du Cameroon say they can finish. According to the information, it shows say la République du Cameroon they make over the money where they give for the government, where the petroleum company give for the government for la République, now 11.271 billion CFA for the give for la République, and for the those who they give for pay for dividends them now over 10 billion. So now this is say la République they share the petrol revenue then almost into two between themselves and the French government. So now if you understand the mafia where they go on and the conspiracy for keep Ambazonia so that this money would free money would come for them. So we will leave that one. We will go very fast as I ran tell and I say we will go fast today. We want to announce for another very good news. I think so now already here. The media report them already and it show a lot of flexibility for the Bamenda Brigade and our new reshufflement. I think say before 1 year before we come, all these people they don't pay bribe for soldier, then they be feel say they live in safety. But Bamenda now it and they in shape. We don't see say the house for the mayor for Bamenda 3, Mr. Shinwi Peter, it be touched down and they no be harm anybody for day. And it shows say what forces them across Bamenda, they no need to be again only for one place like they be before. When I remember before all man be now for Alabukam and for the other 3 major base and we'll get them for inside Bamenda day, but now we don't displace all man, we don't bring new people them, then get new base and they operate from different area for town and they be effective for carry out operation them like this against traitor them, but send a powerful message for all traitors them. And they will be very professional as we don't tell the Ambazonian people say me they no go target any individual, but we don't want any black leg, any spy, any collaborator, any co-conspirator to colonize our territory, not for step a foot for inside their house. Me family they not accept them, they step their foot inside the house because once they step for any place, that place become a battleground. If they enter even inside hotel, that hotel becomes a battleground. So this traitor, if you go visit the house, now the reason that way that house it will be targeted by the Bamenda Brigade, the forces the way they become up for up station. Now way they will go for a house, they make sure they send a message. Nobody was harmed. The intention was not to harm anybody. It was to get him and confiscate his house because he has used that house to seek for shelter. We also talk say the other one way they for there at Kumbong Paul. He to that one he be wanted. We don't go for they go for a house yesterday for up station. He don't go chief money so they be house for up station. Forces they go for a house, they no be filmy toppy. Action they go be taken. The man's hunt and the race is on against all these traitors. Would I even get even the list for those who then participate for that election, but because of lack of time, I don't think I get enough time. And this is not really the primary focus. I will just flash you now the list. Now the list, this will get the list for all of those who took part, who betrayed the people of Ambazonia and go against the will of the people to participate in a sham election meant to give La République du Cameroon a semblance of legitimacy to continue their exploitation of our territory. And they get difficulties for get that document. I think those documents, this is not what I prepared for sure for now today. But I will just put them out there so that I'm gonna know say no innocent councillor no go be targeted. Oh gosh. As I look for my screen for before me, I need to see the list. I go one for check them, double check. Okay, it's not there. Okay, the list is there. I could not see it. So sorry for these technical difficulties. We'll continue for the trial for they do multiple tasking at the same time. Okay, now part of the list, this I'll just put this one up. I think this one will be okay. So these are the list of those who have signed. We have their signature. those lists of all the sell out the traitors, it will be passed down to all the forces them in those localities them for place where they live there. We will pass them down. So nothing that will happen. We then also see La République du Cameroon and their agents them, they then begin target Sheikh Kavi. I think when I know Sheikh Kavi Womeleng, now a hero, now one of my mentor people that I look up to as I join this defense work, na person who I always admire as the early age as possible will be the sea for inside I they can visit Binglo Tiger, late Binglo Tiger. These are the pioneer. These are the people where they run sacrifice their life for go down for ground zero, for train forces, recruit forces, then for be able to defend Ambazonia against foreign aggression. And I would cut cafe for Sheikh Kavi, the DDC also for the Amazonia Defense Forces. And we see La République, they want single he out for target C for blackmail, for call say he be a tribalist due to the incident where it happened for the fun of so. Sheikh Kavi can be anything other than to be a tribalistic person. They go for one wonder when I say why they no be target me as well, because I be also support and I be call for the I be actually be the main person where they call the release of the fund of Banso the first time where they be catchy. I they see some people that they make the mistake for talk say you see when I be it means when I be wrong because the fund it don't turn out for be say na a traitor. But I want to insist for tell our people and say you don't judge people and condemn them based on impression or their intention. You know, if you go condemn some person because that person intend to commit a crime, you must wait me the person actually commit that crime before if you take action against that person. Of course, we know say that fund it will be na a traitor will be no say get that propensity then for be a traitor. But when a fund can apologize, can come without any security guard, we must show them so will be civil and will be reasonable for allow the fund to go back for a village. When the fund commit atrocity like the one we don't commit and now for commit treason, then if we go ahead now with the legitimacy, with the proof, say either actually commit crime with the support of the general public, and it will be actually acceptable without any fallback for our soldier them for take the right action. Had it been, we go at that time for allow those forces then for Baba 1 million go ahead for execute the fund for being a mataya, if we rally the people then for ground for go against our revolution because it will show say will not be rational people then. So it be been at a good call. Sheikh Kavi be just be they do a job for our country like either they do for other places them. If Unafiko is say be tribalistic because he be talking me they release the fund, then what would that make me? I also be called for the release for the fund, but I not being a bouncer person, I just the right thing to do. In terms of the funds and for inside the Atlantic state, I do use the same principle for them. The same principle. The last time when they be catch a few machine, they be catch 3 funds them, I be call for their release at that moment. So we focus on our national agenda and we are very sensitive, but we are not limited to tribalistic tendency. We don't take decision because there is that sensitivity, but we do the things that are right because they are the right things to do. So we also want to talk about a little bit about what happened in the execution of the killing of Akum Julius that changed the whole Ambazonian revolution. You know, for over the past 60 years, we wouldn't be under Cameroon rule. The Cameroon government isn't always the target the nationalist individuals them, the nationalist activists them and groups them where they stand for project and for defend and for fight for justice for the Southern Cameroon territory. They don't always target them. But for 2016, for the first time, the Cameroon government start target the general Ambazonian public, starting with the lawyers, with the students, and Akum Julius will be one of the first blood way they will spill them out for inside our land, and we'll talk say the policy for one for all for one will start for apply for Ambazonia. We'll not go let me then key any of our person again. We'll not go tolerate any these abuses and we will not suffer them for the past 60 years. We'll stand up for the point for Akum Julius. We'll talk say it ends there. And we'll take that strong stand against La République du Cameroon where don't keep with this far. And now he will carry we up to independence. So may we not ever forget any single victim of Cameroon terrorism. We will need to continue to stand and to fight for them until they will be their justice it will finally come. So for today, I don't want to bring up the some of the images and way the videos and where I be done promise I will use this opportunity to put them out today. When I remember they be make some the pigs and these traitors, they be make some fake allegations, say the Ambazonia Defense Forces they be quick for attack. They even claim say we be go attack General Diamond and whatsoever. So whatever advice we give it be now from a bad place. And then they talk say the problem for this struggle, I say the Ambazonia Defense Forces with the leadership, Dr. Cho Ayaba, Benedictwa, Sheikh Kabi, all these people, they are not so focused on the nitty-gritty and the petty arguments on WhatsApp group. But I think that it is very important to actually take the pain to clarify these things, even though they think we have to focus on the main job, which is a good thing. But I'm here to make sure we can also clarify this fake news that they are using to blackmail the major force on the ground. So I decided to play this audio so that it will give the Ambazonia people a window into our operation and support of all the forces on the ground. The ADF now the major supplier and supporter of most of the groups on the ground. We supply them bullets, we supply them guns, even without doing any publicity. And I think it should end. Even though it's not just up to me, it's an institution, but I think say it be the right thing for Ambazonia people for always know, and for those soldiers them when they use pub way come up for women and talk me at least make people to understand. The truth must be out there. So I go first play for the first audio. I go play this audio na Sumanguru, our overall commander for inside Momo, General Sumanguru. This audio na it show na the time where La République du Cameroun they be attack inside Le Bialem, where they be carried out operation where they be kill General Ayeke. At that moment, the Ambazonia Defense Forces they be asked for permission for intervene and for try for help them because we get heavy equipment the way for protect them better. So our general they be call them for offer help, then talk with General Diamond. He go surprise Ambazonia and say the next day General Diamond they make video, they shout, they make propaganda against ADF. But this is the truth about our communication with him. I will play the communication Meguna here. This one a communication will happen between General Diamond just shortly after the La République be done kill General Ayeke, and the Ambazonia Defense Forces be the try for can give them back up and for help them because they will be fighting against one common enemy, La République du Cameroun.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, Diamond.
Know that.
I play the part.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with this. Masha.
Thank you, Papa. How are you?
No, I did over type of room. I think we did. Yeah, they want to even intercede with that when I've done two for backup. I did travel and now go there when you grab me, you for enter my play. Me go no allow. I don't struggle for reason. The go to play my Brazil type. So now you say when they know.
Not easy, Mama. Not easy. Not easy. So don't talk to. We come up for night. We come up for night. We were yesterday for night. So we don't come up to the final issue. Say all them now.
Yes.
Because I will change their bride for go cut for head road because usually they be don't over enter for village. If you imagine say they enter roughly 600 of them, we're prepared with machine gun them. All kind of parade. In fact, all kind of parade. Those who go enter. That kind of way, you don't really know people then get a parade. You don't see people that parade them because one come, you don't prepare. That men them prepare. They come one after a parade. They chop all service road. All service road. They show say something to one them. Day for day. Some allow one them day for day. Menji one them. It just be like combinations of all round. Presently, as I talk, it shows say some group now. You don't go up that other road. Why some group now? You don't go down through south. Some group now. They either through service so somewhere ambush. Whether they say they go now. So we dey round now inside village. We never yet see them inside village. We just dinner for head road. Boys them see dinner for head road. It shows say some of them don't mount. The way say make we come out. Some of them don't even mount for road for Sabina. Why they general bribe call and they tell you say make una maintain till I get better first class information before I fit tell una whether to come or not because I know people say Moon I can't fall for shock.
Yeah.
Continue the diamond they make them up again.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
if they don't ambush for that road for Salim, ambush for road Agong, ambush for road for come out and come because they know say some boys and they from Kong.
Yeah.
Ambush for road for go for Moonbeat. In fact, they don't just ambush, they enter in their huge number. It's not easy.
You see, the ones that are the right moment before you see the people that they work. The one can attack a unit now, the work and men that they select soldiers and move soldiers, they were very unit, they can't attack.
Yes.
We too will now for join our hands together to fight.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
We too will for join our own hands and two. We might get problem. We need to the collect from very place, the different end of play with it. Shoot the two, need a year firepower with you play, the 2 minutes never know that they know which will be. But this way, one man will get attacked when the fire bra, you know, go hell away. We will not join our hands, so that 5 people and so on. They will all will enter Bona Bra.
Be very clear, Nasumanguru, be very clear. I don't get you. Now, the incident, I say, how one of our heroes, they will not be a person, he don't fall. Now,
so na the year, now the communication and that the type of cordial relationship that way actually exists on the ground. Out of a sudden, they will just come out, they make fake audio, say ADF they come attack me, ADF they are doing all this thing, but behind the scene we are working all together. Ground Zero is working hand in hand. The only people where they cause this boy them for go attack we and for begin make those noise them. Now they infiltrator them where they don't chop, get an understanding with Mr. Pobia. Now they go to manipulate those boy them for make a be impossible for we for harmonize and for work hand in hand on the ground. So when I get that snippet inside those conversation, I think say that is it. I will go to the next audio, which is
touch any of my soldier for some corner or anything. We come after one. So in case Commando for Numben, if you do any, because Commando for Numben play with now. If I tell you say, me all them as a day. So if me I open my mouth now, I talk say me all we will unite. All unity will be for this ground. Now I tell you now. Open my mouth now, I talk unity will come for this ground. So we correct all those things and so when we correct all those things and now, so we know say we don't sign one pact. We now form our team. We call diaspora. We tell them say make them unite. If they no one unite, we for ground we don't unite. We don't stop in killing, in fighting and so on. From then now we will keep join now for the goal mission. But if we not yet do make use of that history, we sign pact and put them together for fight together. If you want to come from a corner, you will the fear to attack you. If surely Jinabuda one come for your corner, it will the person if he attack you. Surely Nambola one come for your corner, it will the person attack. Surely one go for commando, you person commando will attack you. So we must make use of this. We will see how to join and move forward.
We commando issue this side we not the problem again for continue with General Commando call the discuss with all the other side we not the problem again.
So on the year, even at this moment, our general for inside Momo, he talk clearly say the Ambazona Defense Forces they don't solve the problem they begin with the commando. Things they be done they fine. The only different, the only instigator, the only people the way they cause them meet and go attack each other. When I remember the audio way how they call this Jezebel, Iringwa, how he manipulate this boy them. We say picture there. And obviously they get a picture, but I think everybody get a very clear picture about Iringwa. That is the only difference that caused those boys to come and try to attack us in the market. Iringwa, Sako, Chris Ano. These are the only people, the spoilers, where they try to make sure, say, media partnership and understanding with Mr. Pobia, it takes shape for Ground Zero. Nevertheless, I will leave that one. I will go directly. There are other things so I want to bring them about Babanki and many other places there. Some videos and they way they show some operation the way they go on for the Atlantic State. The new weapon, the way they don't come inside, the upgraded bombs they will use them against La Republic to make sure say we will cripple those their convoy where they go across. We know say that their convoy will be done lost track of their convoy, I think within 6 hours or something like that. And will be worried say maybe that convoy now another task force we need to work attack we it go likely to go towards Oko area. So I get an incoming call. I think so answer the call later on. But I'll go ahead to play the audio, the leak audio from Mr. Belinga. Mr. Belinga, I think una know Mr. Belinga very well. Mr. Belinga, na he be the person where Mr. Pobia be sending me, can bribe me. Now a very big person for inside la Republic du Cameroon in terms of this struggle. He get a big organization where they use them for try for bribe Ambazonian them for they me then join them. I will then play part of that audio. I will play this one. They want an interview again for inside la Republic. For this interview, it basically spill out all the state secret them. The negotiation where they go on in the back door with them and Sako, the understanding where they get them with them and Sako, the frustration the way Sako then get them, their action them for Sako for attack civilian them and for blackmail and all those stuff them in reveal and basically everything out there. Immediately I will release the information, say if you can bribe me. La Republic basically then delete almost all it trace for social media and for internet. Thank God too, I already download some of this material them for save them, so we get them for a record for play and for a make una hear. The other audio then they will be talk for me about the people they that I already bribe them, the amount of money they don't give them. Some one of the women themselves they some of the other parties and they talk almost everything for this audio. So now we even call the names of the Europeans them and the other officials them for the United Nations where they already bribed them, where they already there for Mr. Pobia pocket, and the woman where they go also for with them abroad for meet up all these Chris Anu them and all these people. There are also some other video or audios about the meeting where it take place for UK, where the Ngole for La Republique, it become they be hide them even for Prime Minister for La Republique. He come for France, he come for go hospital, he can sneak in, he go for UK, he go get meeting for UK together with Chris Anu. I go release those ones them as well. And for sure now the understanding where they go on between these two people them. So for the meantime, I will take and slowly, I will play on this audio today because it give una a roadmap of La Republique du Cameroon, their own hope for where their plan where they use them for fight this revolution. Make I play this audio. Look like the audio no fit play. I don't know. Maybe I'll play them just for audio for see what I could play from the speaker. But if I play in that way, I'm not going to see where to go on for the screen.
Bonjour, la crise anglophone est la suite des horreurs qu'on enregistre au quotidien, des enfants assassinés dans des écoles alors qu'à la rentrée, beaucoup de groupes appelaient les enfants à retourner à l'école. C'était en novembre dernier, en octobre dernier, et parmi ceux qui négocient en sourdine pour qu'on obtienne une solution pacifique finalement à cette crise, il y a le Centre de prévention des conflits en Afrique centrale et australe. Sa réaction après ce drame, l'avenir.
So now they get the introduction for this Mr. Belinga, Mr. Belinga Ongola. Mr. Belinga Ongola, organization Center African Peace Organization, equivalent to the HD, and it be involved for the negotiation as on the year introduction with La République du Cameroon and the splinter faction of the IG and most of the collaborators then for make sure the war it come to an end without even resolving the issue that the people wants to be resolved for their in exchange for bribery basically. So we're gonna continue for here.
De l'école dans ces régions et les conditions pour aboutir finalement à un cessez-le-feu. Nous sommes donc avec Willy Belinga Ongola, c'est le président du conseil d'administration du Centre de prévention des conflits en Afrique centrale et australe sur Canal 24 pour en parler. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Merci d'être venu.
Merci de votre invitation. Bonjour à tous les Camerounais, à tous les Africains qui nous regardent aujourd'hui. Merci pour le thème que vous avez choisi pour édifier les Camerounais par rapport au conflit dans les régions du nord-ouest et sud-ouest.
D'accord. Quand vous avez vu ces images effroyables du 24 octobre, qu'est-ce que vous avez dit?
Le 24 octobre, il était midi qu'on m'a fait part du massacre dans Akumba. On a eu une réunion au premier ministère pour
So the talk because the talk na Egyptian, it talk na foreign language will be foreign for we. It explain this interview it began just immediately after the attack for the school for inside Kumba. It talk how they begin meeting for the prime minister office now for tell na the caliber of person way it talk. So no be just no be a scam, no be some nobody. Na this right hand man for Mr. Pobia. The late Belingawe if he died, we na be Mr. Pobia like the chief of the manager, the chief of staff for Mr. Pobia. Na he be the brother, a younger brother. This where they using now for breaking bribe and Ambazonia them. So we're gonna continue for here.
Des solutions à la crise dans ces deux régions. Et déjà, ce que je peux relever, c'est mes condoléances à des familles éprouvées qui ont perdu leurs enfants. Bon rétablissement à ceux qui sont blessés, qui sont hospitalisés dans les centres hospitaliers. Et aux sécessionnistes, je les appelle des Camerounais qui ont porté des armes, vraiment qui doivent revenir, comme nous avons discuté, comme nous avons lancé des pourparlers, qui déposent les armes, qui puissent comprendre que la paix n'a pas de prix. Et la paix, c'est la plus grande des choses que le Seigneur Jésus-Christ s'empare.
And the guy is a very religious person. Because when I talk for you see how they're very...
Et aux autorités de revenir, parce que nous avons lancé les pourparlers, comme vous avez dit, pour la rentrée scolaire 2020-2021. Il y avait, je vous dis toujours qu'il y a 3 groupes. Il y avait...
So, it tell na say the Cameroon government practically at one point abandoned the initiative, and it talk about the short initiative where they be taken concerning for school for school resumption. When I remember the campaign for school resumption where they be the cause of Ambazonian so people them activists them for come now they be do all those things they for behind as we be tell na say the whole campaign for school resumption na la Republique du Cameroon their presidency be behind when the year they confirm am. And it go talk the various category for groups and way then they now as I go play and when I go hear how they then divide we for into 3 category for people for groups them for this our revolution will be accurate when I hear.
Des groupes qui ont été sceptiques, qui ont même refusé la rentrée, on a essayé de les convaincre. Ils nous ont donné les 2 conditions qui étaient de ne pas faire lever le drapeau du Cameroun, de ne pas chanter l'hymne national du Cameroun.
So on a hear with the talk. There is a group. My rewind I'm gonna hear where they accept school resumption with the conditions. I mean they no put flag. I mean they no sing Cameroonian national anthem. So I'm gonna hear from the horse their own mouth.
Demander ce que nous avons fait de cette leurs enfants camerounais qui ont porté des armes, vraiment qui doivent revenir, comme nous avons discuté, comme nous avons lancé des pourparlers, qui déposent les armes, qui puissent comprendre que la paix n'a pas de prix. Et la paix, c'est la plus grande des choses que le Seigneur Jésus-Christ, en partant, qui nous a laissé.
Yeah, I will try for interpreter, but yes, some man ask interpretation. So now a religious person they talk from religious perspective. He talk with the Cameroon government, then come back for the talk where they be start them concerning the resumption of school. So there are 3 groups in there, according to it, the talk for Ambazonia.
Il y avait 2 groupes qui ont été sceptiques, qui ont même refusé la rentrée. On a essayé de les convaincre.
2 of those groups them that are reject the school resumption program. When I remember the 2 of the group then are the group for Siseko and the group for Dr. Chuayaba, when at the governing council of Ambazonia, they will reject them.
Ils nous ont donné les 2 conditions qui étaient de ne pas faire lever.
So this one now the condition where the group for Sako then give for them And you know, mention them in name, but subsequently we will get the information how you could get for one.
Drapeau du Cameroun, de ne pas chanter l'hymne national du Cameroun. Nous sommes allés toujours en phase de négociation. Ils ont accepté de lever le drapeau. Même comme ça, ce n'était pas l'acceptation plus claire. Donc ils étaient toujours, ils avaient toujours le doute parce qu'ils nous ont posé des problèmes. Que si on lance l'année scolaire dans ces deux régions, les autorités de Yaoundé vont croire que le conflit est fini.
Terminé.
So basically, it talk say, I wanna go see the same thing how they express for Sako. Sako be the come out, they talk say, school will go on and if they talk and like say they want to see the reaction of the other groups them. So basically, wait they talk now say the Sako their group, they accept say me then launch school resumption. But they be the fear say if them fully support the school resumption, Mr. Paul Biya will just completely abandon the process we be done starting with them for instance Switzerland halfway. We're gonna hear.
Oh, et c'est ce que je crois aujourd'hui qu'ils avaient presque raison. Parce que dès que nous avons lancé la rentrée scolaire, vous avez vu dans tous les médias, on a montré le départ. Comment les enfants allaient à l'école.
Oui, c'était aussi une opération de communication pour le pouvoir de Yaoundé. Oui, que
des choses avancent.
Dans cette région,
il y a déjà la paix.
Pas qu'il y a déjà la paix, mais qu'on va progressivement vers la normale. Quelque chose comme ça.
Oui, mais ça, parce que j'aimais toujours expliquer dans le système de négociation, parce que nous avons plus de...
So it is mainly talk. Say the problem being I say once they start that school resumption campaign, the Cameroon government instead jump inside the bikini show and say now na setting the rank come on normally and the thing in that way be the one and say me the Cameroon government just should don't quiet, let me then handle the issue then with Sako, then they go know how they go gérer the matter them. So na here.
Diplomate, nous avons plus de quelqu'un qui est ingénieur agronome, un homme d'affaires, il dit qu'il peut déjà faire la gestion des conflits. La gestion des conflits, c'est des spécialistes, parfois de haut niveau. Quand on parle de négociations, nous avons ce qu'on appelle la cassation des hostilités.
So it is mainly talk the other party then way this you wanna be remember last time they tell us that there is a conflict between the presidency and the prime minister's office because you get the group from Ngole, they do their own thing. You get the group for the prime minister, they do their own thing. Then you get this guy where they work now with the presidency directly. But the main person where he be in charge of all the negotiation, including the one for the prime minister, the one for the Ngole own, and this guy na Eko where na he be the head for Mr. Paul Biya in security. Na he be the head. Na he basically run the war for Mr. Paul Biya. So na he be the head. So now they get all this information that they come out, they put them for perspective while they do translation for our language.
Nous en renvoie à l'interruption des violences sur le terrain. Ça veut dire qu'on doit arrêter les violences sur le terrain pour organiser les négociations. Mais si on arrête les violences, certains estiment que c'est déjà fini, que nous ne devons plus continuer avec les dialogues, que nous ne devons plus continuer avec les négociations. Et donc, estiment que ce n'est que eux qui peuvent aller sur le terrain. Ça veut dire le spécialiste même qui doit aller négocier. On dit, lui n'est rien, mais c'est eux qui peuvent négocier, il y a problème. Donc, nous devons aller dans le bon sens et comprendre que l'autre peut jouer son rôle, que nous pouvons laisser l'autre travailler. Et nous avons pris, par exemple...
So basically, they talk about the various people the way they want push the agenda for stop the war from within la République du Cameroun, their own faction them.
Au niveau du gouvernement, dans la commission que le SANC a mis en place, fait appel à des spécialistes de renommée internationale, au niveau du Cameroun. Je peux citer les noms.
So it tell about the dispensation, the way the organization them on behalf of the Cameroon government, they don't take up for the international community and the one there for the within the Cameroon government.
Sans publicité. Nous avons fait appel au ministre délégué chargé du Commonwealth, qu'on salue aujourd'hui.
So now the minister that for Commonwealth where they already engage for do certain speeches concerning the struggle.
Vous avez vu sur le terrain, il travaille beaucoup, mais il ne passe pas dans les médias. Il parle d'un peu, il écoute plus, il est ouvert.
Efficacité dans la discrétion.
Efficacité dans la discrétion. Nous avons fait appel au secrétaire général adjoint à la présidence, qui est toujours de ces deux régions.
The do one as another anglophone where they work for the presidency, we also be engaged in the negotiation or whatever they are doing. So on a begin.
Qui parle peu, qui est même plus aimé sur le terrain. Je vous ai dit que ce n'est pas sous forme de publicité. Nous avons fait appel au directeur du cabinet du Premier ministre. Vous avez vu tout ce qu'il fait sur le terrain. Ça, c'est au niveau du Cameroun. Je ne veux pas manquer de vous signaler la présence du professeur Justine Difo.
Justine Difo. Now the woman where he be directly involved will get meeting with Sako them, and I know I call the other names them. I don't choose for no call those names them. But a woman that way they meet up the people them for diaspora, it can be also involved in some bribery. Then who already know and will get some of the evidence them. When I begin to hear the thing how they go.
A été appelé pour négocier avec ces gens. Au niveau international, nous avons fait
the woman be go meet up those people then for negotiate with them.
Appel au vice-président du Parlement européen. Parce que
so the vice president of the European Parliament, the vice president have been compromised by them as well, and he be willing to work with them for do certain things them when I go here. My player.
Nous avons fait appel au directeur du cabinet du Premier ministre. Vous avez vu tout ce qu'il fait sur le terrain. Ça, c'est au niveau du Cameroun. Je ne veux pas manquer de vous signaler la présence du professeur Justine Difo. Elle a été appelée pour négocier avec ces gens. Au niveau international, nous avons fait appel au vice-président du Parlement européen. Parce que je vous montre les enjeux. Les enjeux, c'est que même si vous êtes un grand négociateur, il faudrait avoir plus de force.
So the one use the reason he explained why they contact the vice president for the European Union. Now for use for project fear for the Ambazonian and for diaspora. That means say he go there like their joker. Wait time go there where he go come out threaten Dr. Chua Yaba, threaten other Ambazonian the way they for within Euro. Say they go deport them. Not just for use them. When they go hear that kind, big person go talk, say they go deport you, they go deport you. It go frighten those Ambazonians the way they for diaspora. Of course, we don't say they don't fit deport we because we fight against terrorism. We are the good guys. We are on the right side of the law. Even the European law, the Americans, they entered La Republic several times say you cannot deport people who are fighting for a just cause. So the audio, this interview really long. I'll try to cut them. To play on the most important part them.
Qu'il n'y ait pas de... Pendant les négociations, il n'y avait pas eu de garantie. Et puis après,
ces structures qui financent le terrorisme au niveau du Cameroun. Et qu'on nous laisse ça dire qu'on ne négocie pas avec les terroristes, etc. C'est des Camerounais qui sont frustrés, qui ont porté les armes, qui font terreur dans ces deux régions et que nous pouvons leur demander de déposer les armes, de revenir dans le frais chemin. D'accord.
Après, avec tous ces lobbies-là, quelques semestres après la rentrée, on réussit quand même à découper des enfants à l'école. Qu'est-ce que ça signifie? Que le message n'est pas passé, ou alors que les sécessionnistes ont changé de tactique, ou alors qu'il n'y ait pas de... Pendant les négociations, il n'y avait pas eu de garantie, et puis après...
C'est ce que je vous ai expliqué qu'au niveau des négociations, nous avons lancé des négociations. On s'est dit que nous devons continuer avec des négociations. Les négociations, les pourparlers, c'est qu'on nous appelons un cessez-le-feu préliminaire qui est en cours. Parce que nous, j'ai parlé de la cassation des hostilités et je parle de cessez-le-feu préliminaire, cette fois-ci qui est en cours avec on appelle ça les pourparlers au niveau des sous-tables, dont les accords de sous-table, qui sont les accords informels. Ça veut dire, nous avons lancé les négociations avec la rentrée scolaire qui ont accepté. Ils nous ont dit, vous ne devrez pas arrêter ces négociations. Ça veut dire, si les négociations ont été arrêtées, ils se disent que nous les avons trompés.
So, basically, it talks, the pre-talks the way they be arrange them for Switzerland, the explain them, Mr. Paul Biya be done stop on me, he be done stop on for good day. So now the people the way they be participate and they vex now say Abilante una me gonna not stop this negotiation. They una ran full win me will come for this negotiation. So make a player me gonna begin here now from your mouth directly with the talker.
Pour parler au niveau des sous-tables, dont les accords de sous-table, qui sont les accords informels. Ça veut dire nous avons lancé les négociations avec la rentrée scolaire qui ont accepté. Ils nous ont dit, vous ne devrez pas arrêter ces négociations. Ça veut dire, si les négociations ont été arrêtées, ils se disent que nous les avons trompés. Et ils prennent une autre forme des attaques. C'est pour parler aux gens de Yaoundé, aux autorités, que ne laissez pas les négociations.
Oui, comment on appelle ce genre d'opération des groupes sécessionnistes?
So the talk say Sako then they use this operation for send a message for La République. Say me they not abandon the negotiation the way La République du Cameroun they are already engaged with them.
Quand ils procèdent par des ordres et des enlèvements, vous savez que hier encore ils ont enlevé des enseignants dans une école à Kumbo et que ce matin ils ont encore attaqué des écoles à Limbe. Qu'est-ce qu'ils veulent faire?
Vous connaissez ceux qui sont plus sensibles, c'est des enfants. Et si vous attaquez les écoles, parce que dans les crises, il y a les écoles, les centres, les hôpitaux, le personnel humanitaire qui est attaquable. Si vous touchez déjà des écoles, c'est une forme d'appel.
C'est pour se faire entendre.
Pour se faire entendre au niveau local, au niveau international. Vous avez vu depuis la crise anglophone, ce n'est qu'avec l'attaque de ces enfants qu'on a eu le deuil national.
Et aussi tellement de condamnations sur le plan international.
Oui, sur le plan international. Et je puisse vous dire qu'avec cette attaque, il y a de la tension internationale avec la pression qu'ils mettent au Cameroun.
Ils ne se mettent pas en danger en posant ce genre d'acte, puisque certains appellent l'État à prendre ses responsabilités. Qu'est-ce que vous dites?
Oui, l'État doit prendre ses responsabilités.
Après ce genre d'acte, on ne peut pas assister à la réponse violente de l'État de manière légitime pour dire qu'arrêtez d'abord ça.
Nous ne partons plus dans la violence. Je dis à tous ceux qui parlent souvent de la violence que regardez toutes les histoires des guerres, de conflits, de crises au monde. Il n'y a jamais eu de résolution de ces crises par les armes. Ce n'est que par le dialogue. C'est vrai que dans le système de dialogue, nous avons plus des accords informels, ça veut dire des négociations que des uns et des autres ne peuvent pas voir comment nous parlons. Parfois c'est sur les chambres.
I think so. Most of the year, it talk about the underground arrangement, the understanding the way they get them. Some of those arrangements, it is not written. Some of those things are not meant for the public. So these are the understandings that I tell Nasser Sako get them with Mr. Paul Biya et people them. Listen.
Il y a des accords et un beau matin on vous dit c'est fini. Donc on croit que c'est ceux qui ont porté, ces ont maintenu, que je salue aujourd'hui de leur travail sur le terrain. Ils croient toujours que c'est eux qui ont fini la crise alors qu'il y a eu des négociations. C'est parce que ce sont des choses qu'on ne parle pas généralement. Oui. Et de deux, il y a des choses par exemple sur ce plateau que je ne peux pas vous dire. Les négociations du terrain. Je peux par exemple vous donner quelques noms, comme j'ai donné des négociateurs, mais sur le terrain, il y a des choses...
Il doit rester...
Oui, c'est ce que je voulais dire. Et de deux, au niveau des négociations, nous avons déjà... Nous contrôlons le Centre de prévention des conflits en Afrique centrale, OSCAL, maîtrise la situation. Je crois que nous sommes les seuls aujourd'hui qui pouvons dire que nous pouvons amener à la résolution durable du conflit du Nozo.
Now the organization this way they gérer the peaks and somehow they feel say they go fit stop the revolution and they will go further to talk about the alliances, the way they get them, the reasons why they do it, so they do them for subdue and for make sure say we will resist, we will fight for outright independence and for the root cause solution. Them may will be demoralized, may will be attacked, may will be blackmail. All those things, them it will go ahead for explain all those.
Nous avons proposé au gouvernement que la fin, ce qu'on appelle le cessez-le-feu définitif, ne devrait pas se passer au Cameroun pour garantir ces leaders séparatistes qui sont à l'écran.
So it talk about the ceasefire, the indefinite ceasefire. That means they will come for a point where they will make an indefinite ceasefire. And where it will happen out of Cameroons. I call Cameroons more than 2 Cameroons, and they go there for UK. Then go ahead for name the countries.
Nous avons choisi 2 pays. Nous avons proposé la Suisse, plus facile à négocier, la Grande-Bretagne. Voilà les 2 pays que nous avons proposés pour la négociation. Mis en général pour essayer à l'heure actuelle.
C'était l'occasion que le gouvernement camerounais doit saisir.
Oui, c'est ce que je vous demande. Qu'est-ce que vous qui êtes dans les négociations, qu'est-ce que vous dites aux femmes? Est-ce que marcher en route avec l'arbre de paix, ça soit un peu partout là, ça suffit?
Non, de sensibiliser, de demander
à leurs de ces régions.
De dire à leurs maris de déposer les armes, à leurs enfants de revenir dans le vrai chemin. Ils sont résidents, mais nous avons des familles qui résident là-bas que nous pouvons discuter avec eux. La Suisse.
So, it talk about the family members of those where they don't bribe the way then they back for Cameroon, where they discuss with them on their behalf. Then they like their guarantor say they go do wait way they don't get engaged with the Republic for do am. Now why down say they go cash Chris Anu Mami, cash his sister, go keep them konengi 6 money where they be don't get back for them. Yeah.
Nous avons certains et leurs familles qui sont résidents. L'Allemagne, Norvège, ça c'est premier zone. Attends. Mais dans le système de négociation, vous n'allez pas demander à ce que certains appellent les terroristes de vous envoyer une invitation pour aller faire les pourparlers. Sinon, eux-mêmes, on va croire que vous-même vous êtes des connivences. Donc, il y a des choses parfois qui bloquent au niveau des voyages. Parce qu'il y a des documents qu'on demande au niveau du voyage. C'est pour ça que le mandat, à mon niveau, moi je peux voyager à tout moment, mais certains ne peuvent pas se déplacer comme quoi s'il n'y a pas le mandat.
So if you talk about a mandate really come up for the presidency, the story long my country people them and I not go get time to play them. But the good thing what the one bring up for me gonna understand I say we already know the game where they go on. And where would they stand for take very hard position them against these traitors them? What would they call them say them being a traitors them now because they actually them being a traitors. This one a criminal the way they don't take Ambazonian revolution for make their own money, their own personal gain. Even the soldier the way they don't come under them, they don't care about their future. Even the soldier the way they run there under them, they don't care about their blood. Their owner for take advantage, for take this struggle like an opportunity, for build their careers, for make money for themselves and their families. These people them na traitor them be as worse equally, like Mr. Paul Biya. We no go allow them for do for our people. Way to way Cameroon they do for our people. We no go allow them. We go fight for complete independence. It is attainable. And the fact that Cameroon they go this low with this non-entity them, it is shown as say Cameroon if we win this war, Ambazonia independence be inevitable. When I get a generation, a group of noble people them, people of value, who are not corruptible, where they go stand for una, back for una, speak for una, and make sure say we go attain our independence. And for the sake for Ambazonian future, una make sure say make una keep these people them make them be una the holder of the key for access for inside una land, and everything will be fine. So worry not. I don't bring these things so that make una be assured. For reassure una say everything be under control. Nothing that the Cameroon no know will be in total control of the future of Ambazonia. The leader of our revolution, Dr. Cho Ayaba, he has all the intelligence, he has all the manpower, he has all the connections to deliver to the Ambazonia people their independence. We need una make una give una full support, una full backing for the governing council and the Ambazonia Defense Forces, where they for the tip of the spear, for bring order for ground zero, for bring leadership within the forces, for bring tactics, for bring weaponry, so that make we fight for liberate our country, because now a God ordained struggle this. Now the time for Ambazonia independence, it will get a ripple effect across Africa for get freedom and for end the colonization and the new colonialism where the Europeans that make them in place, so that make them continue for benefit for our resources, while they maintain some puppets them for over us for inside Africa. Now time for Ambazonia independence, I feel guarantee una. Now time for Ambazonia independence, we are destined for independence. The fake election where the Republic of Cameroon make them, it just be laughable. It be insignificant, and everybody have recognized it as such. So they move on with our war strategies and for liberate our territory. The stabilization fundraising is going on. We need our RPGs and we need our weapons for war to give to the soldiers so that they can defend ourselves and fight against this terrorism and occupation from the Republic of Cameroon. I will continue to play the other audio. Then when I get time, it will be a priority for we, because we already know we already take measures that will secure the integrity for the revolution. All we need now to make the public then get that access for this information then as much as we can, with perspective, of course, so that we will make the right decisions then for do the right things and for be rightly motivated to take this struggle through till it expectant end will be now the independence of Ambazonia. God bless you now. May this our revolution be short. May our independence be forever in a free and independent Ambazonia. God bless you. Capo Daniel, signing out.
Republic of Ambazonia. Principle 2. Restoration of sovereignty, constitutionality, legality. Restoration, Republic of Constitutionality. Law enforcement versus lawlessness, nationality. Puts people first. No politicizing or grandstanding. Well poised in position to deliver. Ambazonia, rising to fall no more. Truth, freedom, and justice for all.
The whole House, to which the Counter-Terrorism and Border Security Bill was committed, has gone through the same and has directed me to report it to your Lordships with amendment.
Thank.
My Lords, the Cameroon is in the grip of a humanitarian disaster that threatens to affect it and indeed the whole region. The Anglophone communities in that country see their rights, see their expectations of a prosperous and safe life trampled underfoot. My Lords, this crisis has its origins in a plebiscite of 1961, which I, in my own childhood in the region at the time, recall as being of concern then, certainly to the region, to my father, who was a cabinet minister in a neighbouring country, but also and significantly to members of this House